Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
And with the parties basically consent, we'll be announcing the names, most probably by Monday. I thank the party for reposing faith in me and basically having confidence in me. But ultimately, it is the party which is going to decide as far as the candidates are concerned. 13 are the old faces in this outgoing council, and rest there will be around 17 new faces. New faces mean there will be some old faces, earlier councillors. Yeah, Rohit is going to contest. Ward number 3.
What about the present mayor and all? Would he be in your panel list?
Yeah, he's there. See, I always believe a leader is a fellow who should lead from the front. Cowards only lead from behind. So there are some cowards who are basically not showing their faces in front. But I like to see who my basically rivals are as far as the CCP corporation is concerned. See, I am confident because I have got a confidence in the people.